Welcome back to this series in the court cards, indeed. In fact, in all of the 78 tarot cards, tonight we're looking at the Knight of Pentacles, continuing our journey through each card. The Knight of Pentacles is the most grounded and methodical of all of the knights. It represents hard work, dedication, and steady progress, rooted in the element of earth. This card embodies commitment to achieving tangible results through discipline and persistence. We're going to explore its symbolism, the Rider-Waite imagery, and the astrological associations and some of its interpretations. The general meaning of the Knight of Pentacles. Well, the Knight of Pentacles represents pursuing practical goals with patience and determination. Unlike the other knights, he moves at a measured pace, ensuring that every step leads to lasting results. This card often signifies hard work and responsibility, so that's a focus on diligence and attention to detail. Steady progress, which is the ability to achieve those goals through persistence and careful planning. Practicality and reliability, a grounded and disciplined approach to challenges. And of course, commitment, which is a readiness to see things through to completion, even if it takes time. The Knight of Pentacles reminds us that slow and steady wins the race, urging us to stay committed and focused on the bigger picture. The Rider-Waite depiction of the Knight of Pentacles is calm and reflective. The knight is on a stationary horse. Unlike the other knights, the Knight of Pentacles sits still, gazing at the pentacle in his hand. This reflects his focus, patience, and careful planning. The ploughed fields, while the fertile land in the background symbolizes potential for growth and abundance, achievement through hard work and preparation. The knight's armor, his sturdy armor, symbolizes his readiness to face challenges and protect his investments, as well as his resilience and responsibility. The black horse, or the dark horse, signifies strength, endurance, and reliability, mirroring the knight's steadfast nature. This imagery highlights the knight's deliberate and cautious approach, emphasizing effort, reliability, and the rewards of patience. The astrological associations with this card are Taurus and Venus, and so the Knight of Pentacles is associated with Taurus, which is a fixed earth sign, and its ruling planet, of course, Venus. It highlights the knight's dedication to stability, practicality, and creating solid foundations. Some Taurus traits. Well, Taurus is known for its determination, reliability, and love of comfort and security. It values consistency and takes a methodical approach to achieving goals. The Knight of Pentacles reflects Taurus's steady work ethic and focuses on creating long-term success through careful planning and perseverance. This card symbolizes a grounded approach to life and responsibility and connections to the material world. With Venus as the ruler, it governs love, beauty, and values, aligning with the knight's appreciation for harmony, nature, and tangible rewards of hard work. Venus also highlights the knight's connection to creating abundance, not just for personal gain, but to foster comfort and stability for others. Through this astrological lens, the Knight of Pentacles embodies the qualities of patience, determination, and a commitment to practice goals. It encourages a steady, grounded approach, building success while appreciating beauty and value for what is being cultivated. When positive, this card is about hard work and dedication, focusing on putting in the efforts to achieve the goals, applying in preparation, a methodical approach to challenges, ensuring everything is in order, patience and persistence, a reminder to stay the course and trust the process. Reliability, well, that's dependability in relationships, work, or projects, and tangible results. Progress may be slow, but steady and lasting. When negative, this card is about stagnation, where we feel stuck or overcautious, which prevents progress. Procrastination, avoiding tasks or responsibilities that require some effort. Overwork, being so focused on duty that you neglect joy or spontaneity. Lack of motivation, difficulty staying committed to your goals. Or rigid thinking, which is an unwillingness to adapt or take risks. The Knight of Pentacles can appear as a person in your life, someone who's hardworking, dependable, and meticulous, often with a practical mindset. They can be a colleague, partner, or friend who values stability and consistency, and someone who may be overly cautious or resistant to change. An aspect of yourself, of course. This is a call to embrace patience, diligence, and commitment to your goals. A reminder to balance hard work with flexibility and adaptability. It could be, of course, a situation, a period of steady progress and hard work, which requires discipline and focus, the opportunity to invest time and energy into building something lasting and meaningful. Let's take a look at some keywords, and I'll be back in a moment. The Rider-Waite imagery and earth element, while the ploughed fields and stationary horse emphasizes the grounding qualities of the earth element. This card reflects the value of careful preparation and the rewards of persistence. The night's stillness reminds us that progress doesn't always require speed. It often requires consistent effort and unwavering dedication. When interpreting the Knight of Pentacles, focus on discipline and effort. Are you putting in the necessary work to achieve your goals? And are you prepared to stay the course? Consider the element of earth. Earth represents stability, practicality, and persistence. Is your approach grounded in this element, or are you avoiding responsibility? And look at the context in the spread. The Knight's position will clarify whether it represents a person, a mindset, or a situation in your life. Let's take a look at my courses, where some things can actually feel as if pieces of the puzzle are hard to fit together, despite these little tutorials that I give on YouTube. My courses offer a complete look into the pieces of the puzzle as to who, what, where, when, and how a court card, or indeed a minor card, can actually have a huge impact when nuanced with a major arcana card, and how to bring that together in a spread so you know exactly how to interpret any question given in a tarot reading. I'll be back in a moment. Some differences between Knights and other tarot cards. Within court cards, the Knight of Pentacles represents the active pursuit of material and practical goals, while the Page explores these ideas, and the Queen nurtures them, and the King masters them. Unlike the minor arcana, Knights represent dynamic individuals or energies, while the numbered cards focus on specific events or stages in the material realm. The difference between Knights and other tarot cards. Within court cards, the Knight of Pentacles represents the active pursuit of material or practical goals, while the Page explores these ideas. The Queen nurtures them, and the King masters them. Unlike the minor arcana, Knights represent dynamic individuals or energies, while the numbered cards focus on specific events or stages in the material realm. Compared to the major arcana, the Knight of Pentacles focuses on immediate action-orientated goals in the material and practical world, and the major arcana explores broader life themes or spiritual lessons. The Knight of Pentacles symbolizes patience, diligence, and steady pursuit of tangible results. Its association with Taurus and Venus emphasizes themes of persistence, practicality, and the creation of long-term stability. The Rider-Waite imagery captures the Knight's grounded nature, which reminds us to value our perseverance, our preparation, and having a methodical approach to achieving those goals. So whether it's representing a person, a mindset, or a situation, the Knight of Pentacles encourages you to stay focused, work hard, and trust that your efforts will lead to lasting rewards. It also cautions against becoming overly rigid or stagnant, urging you to balance persistence with adaptability and the appreciation of the journey. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I'm sorry I've got a little companion. There's a storm on while I'm recording this. We've got a little company here. So I do hope that you've enjoyed the tutorial all about the Knight of Pentacles. Don't forget, this is part of a series. If you want to learn the 78 tarot cards, or you want to take your knowledge of the cards a little deeper, my YouTube channel does, of course, focus on the 78 cards in Learn Tarot. The podcast, which is a library right from the beginning of the full through the minor and major arcana. If you want to know more about how to read tarot, do consider joining me, Tarot with Anne-Marie, on my website, where I provide courses that you can study in your own time, in your own space, from home, whenever you want. Until next time, thanks for watching.